All right, today I have a Toyota Prius, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the windshield wipers, the rear window wiper, as well as the windshield washer and the rear window washer on this particular vehicle. But before we get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of the vehicle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through the steering wheel, and you see this lever right here. This lever right here controls the windshield washer, wipers, window wiper, and washer. All right, now to turn it on, to say for instance you have a mist on your windshield, just raise it once, and that is the mist feature. It will knock off any mist that you have on there, and then it will stop. Now, to turn it to intermittent mode, you see this right here, it says INT. You just take the lever, press it down once. It's in intermittent mode, and you can adjust the intermittence by using this lever right here, or this knob right here, shorter and longer intermittence right here, shorter intermittence right here. All right, see how that I move that around? I believe it's shorter, longer. It could be reversed. Check your owner's manual for that information right here. All right, so next I'm going to go to the low setting. I'm going to go down once. It is now in the low setting. Now to go to the high, I go all the way down, and it is in the high setting, ready for that torrential rainfall. All right, now to turn it off, I just raise it all the way up and then release it, and the windshield wiper turns off just like that. All right, so now we did the front windshield. We're going to go towards the rear window. All right, the rear window. Okay, the rear window, in order to turn it on, you can go right there for intermittence. You see that? It's intermittence. You can adjust the intermittence right here, and then one more will turn it on. I'll go right here, and it is now on, as you can see. All right, now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to turn it off by going like this. It is now off. All right, now that I showed you how to turn it on and off, we're gonna go to the windshield washer and rear window washer. Now to wash the windshield, I am going to pull this towards me like this. Look at that, it's washing the windshield to perfection. All right, now to wash the rear window, I'm going to push this, and look at that, it's washing the rear window just like that. When I'm done, just release it, and it goes back to normal. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously.